we've showed you how you can use slicers and tables to slice and dice your data. But you can run into problems if you try and do calculations on slicers and you don't know the really cool Excel aggregate function. So let's show you what the problem can be and how you resolve it. So I have sales data on U.S. and international parts of a company for 2010 through 2015. I've made this a table. Okay, you can see Design tab, it's table 1, that's fine. And I can compute the total revenue here, and then I would hope to be able to slice and dice on the years and the type of revenue, U.S. or international. That says add up table 1, January through December. Okay. Now that's worth, the whole total is worth about $15 million. Okay, now I can put those slicers in that we've learned about. Insert, have to be inside the table. So I can say slicer, year and type. Okay. Now the type, that's just too big a slicer because I only have 2 entries. I can shrink it. Now this one on the year, how about we make it 2 columns? If I click inside the slicer and go 2, I can go 2 columns and I can shrink that. Okay. Now you would hope that when you click on a subset here, the total revenue would change. Well, it's not going to. Okay, so I say 2010 US, and it's wrong. It shouldn't be $50 million. Now let's clear those slicers for the moment. Okay, so I want to set up a formula that will add up the total revenues January to December for the years and location of the revenues that I select. And this is where the aggregate function comes in. So if I would do equals aggregate, now you get a bunch of options. I want to do a sum. Okay, next is the key. I can ignore hidden rows. So then when I filter, okay, if I just do like 2010 and 2012, it ignores 2011, etc. You can ignore error messages. There's lots of combinations here. But I want to ignore hidden rows, and I want the whole table picked up right there. Okay. Now when I filter, now these two look the same now, but if I would do 2010 and hold down the control key, 2014, see this one, and let's say just US, or just international. See, now I have 2010 and 2014 international, and if I would add up those 2 years, okay, of international revenues, I would get $1,487,000, okay, which is exactly what I want. Now, if I were to make this dollars, control 1, I could do number currency. I could do the same to the other, okay, but if I go there, format painter, okay, see, I now, if I select this and do format painter, I get the little paintbrush and I can paint that format there, right there. And if I hit the escape key, it turns off the format painter because I double clicked it. So I could go to multiple ranges and add in dollars. But this thing is really cool. So I could say US 2013 and I get the right total. But if you don't know that aggregate function, which I can show you with formula text, if you have 2013, again, you need 2013 to do those slicers, then you basically, if you don't use that aggregate function, you're going to be in real trouble because the formula here is just not going to change, and that'll drive you nuts. But now we have slicers that will actually show totals or averages or whatever we want, which is, I think, very, very useful.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.